What's up, muscle car people? This is Bringing Muscle Cars, and I'm Matt. And today we're doing phase, I don't know, 5, 6, something. Mod build. Phase 5, let's go with, because we've done so many, I can't keep track. So, first up on the mod list, in this group, from Motion Raceworks. Can you guess what's in this big box? It's probably 5 feet tall.
Talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me.
So, we bought a parachute and their parachute mount. Here's the parachute mount. This is what hooks to the body. We're gonna have to take the bumper off. Remove before flight. Come on, Kenny, admit that's pretty badass.
Sure.
Custom mount, they make it. And we got a Stroud parachute. Part number 2 is lightweight lithium ion anti-gravity battery. So this is 10 pounds compared to, I don't know, what do you say, 40 at least of the other battery?
Sure.
I mean, that's gonna be a big weight savings. We'll weigh them both and we'll tell you how much we save. So I'm pretty excited about this one. We're gonna be able to get it right in the corner over here. The last part of phase 5 is custom Scott Rod rear seat delete. So they make it out of metal, and what it does, and they made it to fit around my roll cage. I went with black. They made it to go around my roll cage on the rear deck up here. And that way, what it does is seals off the trunk, and I can have the battery over in the corner and not have to have it in a box. So it does that, and it also cleans up the look, because I've seen a couple cars with these over the summer and they just looked so much better than my car completely gutted in the back. Wouldn't you agree, Kenny?
Sure.
Yeah, thanks. All right, guys. This was a quick little update video of what's coming next. You're gonna see a few videos on these. Hopefully in the next week or 2, we can finish all this project up and then move on to phase 6, which is some bigger stuff. So thanks for watching. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell, because you know we love to smash on Bringing Muscle Cars. And don't forget, if you got a fast car like we do, you better bring it. Thanks for watching.